Today at MOBHouse Punboxing. This is not a Dai Sun. DIY's got your back, son. No matter what's the mess, the sucker's up to the test. No stress, only success. I'm impressed, it will suck, yes. It's price you'll never guess. So stay tuned for the rest. No matter who you are in the world, sucking is just part of life. It's part of growing up. It separates woman from girl, man from boy. And if you don't suck, you cannot be an adult because adults clean up after themselves. Introducing this DIY premium wireless vacuum cleaner. It is as Bangsawan as me, that is why we make such a perfect match. By the way, if a Malaysian vacuum cleaner breaks down, is it rosak? And if it were to fall down, it will shout, "Aduh, sakit nia!" To get better, it flew to Osaka for a holiday to drink sake, eat sakiyaki, and watch sakura trees. I digress. Inside you'll find many tips that you can fit to the extension. One long and hard, one soft but extends to a yard. They are giving you options because you might not always want it hard because panjang tu sakit. Belakang. You know what they say, it's not about the size, it is how you use it. Worker tomai, no problem. Wife chari pasta will settle it, bro. No matter if you're Indian, Malay, or Ching Chong, Ling Long, Ping Pong, King Kong, it will suck all your problems away.
Oh yeah? Does it suck this? Every day also put in that thing. You gonna suck yourself lah.
By the way, this is not a wet vacuum. Another one bites the dust. Now let's get a little more serious and let me break it down for you. This vacuum cleaner is 325 milliliters long, 150 millimeters wide, 220 millimeters tall, and weighs only 2.5 kilograms. So even the weakest sucker of your family can handle this. It comes with a 0.8 liter capacity dust cup with an easily replaceable multi-stage filter and a one-click emptying mechanism. Look, it is like magic. It runs on 22.2 volts at 140 watts with a removable rechargeable 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery that lasts for around 20 minutes on normal. It charges in around 4.5 hours, which is pretty fast. Also, since the battery is removable, you can probably get a few extra batteries and let it run forever! Finally, for all you suckers who like to keep it hanging, you can even mount this to the wall. This DIY premium wireless vacuum cleaner LD628 ZX40, priced at 279 ringgit. It's very light and portable with a decent battery life and is super easy to clean. And it is super cheap buy! Until your mother cannot recognize. If you thought this video is awesome, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below to let us know how you would suck with this vacuum cleaner, and we'll let you know how much you suck in a scale of 1 to 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook so that you can see more premium and very quality content like this. Remember to buy, and if you don't buy, you know what? It means that you